Good morning all. Paul from CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Friday morning, August 22nd. Looking at Window Traders market profile of the ES and NQ. So our three indices came into balance yesterday on the daily with all three of us having inside days. So yesterday also was the first day in a while that NQ didn't end with the excess they have been experiencing. Okay, which is a little silver lining so far for the bulls. The next big thing they would like to do is come out of an inside day, right? The most important thing, right? Just like you have rules for gaps, balance, we have rules for inside days. When you come out of it on either side, you go with it. But more importantly, you monitor for continuation or lack of. So, if we come out of it to the upside, you want to see extension. You'd like to take out Wednesday's high potentially. If you come out of it to the downside, you want to take out yesterday's low and go right back to down. Whether we would call the daily up if we took out yesterday's low depends on what kind of extension they get throughout the day. Now, keep in mind, Powell speaks at 10 a.m. Eastern time. So the market might just stay inside of yesterday's range for the first half hour prior to that. After that, they're going to be locked into every word he says. It's all nonsense. I really don't, to me, it doesn't matter whether they cut rates next month or not, but the market always needs, quote unquote, a reason, right, for the algos to go nuts. So they'll be hinging, number one. He probably has a prepared statement right at 10, and then I'm not sure how long he speaks for, but they'll be hanging on every word. When he is finally done, hopefully we'll have a better idea for the intraday what direction the market wants to take. So until then, it's not really worth it. Now, if we open at 9:30 and we make an attempt for either the overnight high or overnight low, I will still take that trade. I'm not going to let that opportunity go away. But if that doesn't happen prior till 10, then we're going to have to wait and see what the market decides to do once he starts speaking. Again, there'll be no video tonight. I'm leaving early, leaving around 3 o'clock today, 3:30. I will do one over the weekend, though, for myself as much as for you guys and gals, just to sit back, look at the profile for the past week, and look at our charts going forward. Speaking of charts, so here's the S&P. Here's your inside day. Now again, we've been playing with the 20-day moving average, closed below it by $1. You know, I don't believe one day, 1 week makes a market, so it's not like sell because we're below the 20 or buy because we're above the 20. Doesn't work that way. So we'll keep an eye on it as we go forward with ES and an NQ. But for now, inside days is our main focus when the market opens at 9:30. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today. And I'll recap the day and the week at some point this weekend.